Hello guys, we are now here at Nagoya Station as we are trying to look for the city bus terminal. We're going to avail the Nigoro sightseeing bus, which will lessen our expenses since one-time payment lang siya na 500 Japanese yen, tapos may ikot nyo na lahat ng tourist attraction here in Nagoya. So very good deal siya guys, if you're going to ask me, because if you're going to pay for the train, so per route 210 Japanese yen, yan ata yung base fare nila, so expensive siya. So yun lang, so advice ko sa inyo, avail this one because hindi na kayo mahirapan dahil iniikot niya lahat ng tourist attraction. Okay? So guys, here is the Negoro sightseeing bus route. So lahat ng tourist attraction dito sa city center ay dadaanan niya. So yan ang travel hack ko sa inyo kasi 500 pesos lang, one day pass, iikutin nyo na lahat ng yan. Pero again, wala pang kasama niya na entrance fee. So magbabayad pa rin kayo na entrance fee per tourist attraction. So yun lang, travel hack kasi siyempre kung magte-train kayo, 210 per route. So imagine nyo kung pupuntahan nyo 8 tourist attraction, roughly nasa 8 times 210, nasa 1,680, no, yung babayaran nyo. Dito 500 lang, tapos one day pass na yun, 1 sawa na yan. Okay, so tipid tips yan guys. Thank you. So here's the physical card, so wag nyo to iwawala. So this will be your one day pass.